Izisebenzi ezingaphansi kwezinyunyana okubalwa kuzo iFood and Allied Workers Union, iAMCU kanye neUnited Association of South Africa zithi zizamile ukwehlisela umqashi iphesenti ezilifunayo lisuka ku-18 wamaphesenti laze layofika ku-6 wamaphesenti. Kodwa ke umqashi umile ku-4.5 wamaphesenti.
The employer doesn't want to meet our demand, and our demands are very clear. We have tabled our demand on the table, and Labour has compromised a lot. We have compromised from 13%, which was our official position, to 6.5%, as well as accepting the 6%, which was a proposal from the Commissioner. All these demands were conditional, and the employer has rejected all these demands.
Ezinye zezinkampani ezikhahlanyezwe yilesi siteleka kubalwa kuzo inkampani egaya ushukela, iRCL Food Sugar Mill. Izisebenzi zithi kudala zikhulumisana nomqashi, kodwa ke akazimisele ukuhlangabezana nazo.
Sikubonile nje ukuthi umqashi udlala kakhulu because of uma kabeka nje 5.4 etafuleni. That is not even, I don't know ukuthi ngakubita ngekuthini. It's an insult kithi nje sibasebenzi.
Izinyunyana zibe nomhlangano nabaphathi ngethemba lokuthi sikhona isixazululo azoza naso esingcono. Izisebenzi zithi zizoqhubeka nesiteleka kuze kubake umqashi ukhuphula imiholo.